Welcome to the Paths tutorial for the Virtual Orientation 2021. You're going to want to head up to the corner and hit the Shine button. Scroll down when you get there and click Virtual Orientation Road to the Hill 2021. This is your path. This is where you'll see all the events that you can attend to receive credit and completing your path. All the events are housed in this area. Setonian Success, Who's Who at SHU, Get to Know Fellow Griffins, SHU at a Glance. Here's where you'll also want to RSVP to events. Let's RSVP to one together. Okay, Griffin Gathering Student Social. View events by the name, and there you have it. Your three options come up. Click one that you can attend, go to I will be attending, RSVP to the event, wait for it to turn gray, and you're good to go. Scroll back up and go back to your path. And you can do this for each and every one of the events that you'd like to attend. Let's RSVP to another one together. The Student Leader panel. Again, go to View Events by Event Name. Only one option for those. Click I will be attending, RSVP to the event, and you're good. Head back to your path. Click back again, and there you have it. So you'll do this for all of your domains in order to complete the path. Once you've attended the event, that's when you'll receive credit, and you'll begin to see the bars at the top of your overall progress begin to fill in. Remember that you have to attend so many events within the different domains or sections. Good luck. Welcome to Seton Hill.